How to see who shared a Facebook post. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, simply go through the post you want to see who shared, as you will find shares at the bottom. Simply click on shares at the bottom of the post, and it will open comments, and then in the top right corner of your screen of the comment you'll find shares again. Click on it. Then you will find all the people who shared this post, and after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to see who shared a post on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.